And the race is on. King's Dominion. And moving up by the rail, rushing up is Real Thunder alongside is Durango. Jade and Diamond racing in fourth, running fifth street. Julian Euromax and Foxtrot is the early trail. Durango, Real Thunder, King's Dominion, Jade and Diamond, and racing in fourth by some 3 lengths is Euromax. Rounding the far turn, it's 1A Durango, Real Thunder, King's Dominion, Jade and Diamond, and running in fifth is Euromax with Julian. Last 450, Durango, Real Thunder, fighting it out for the lead. As they race the final corner, 1A Durango, Real Thunder is running by the Real King's Dominion. Last 250 meters more to run, Durango 1A. Number 1, King's Dominion, Danori inside, Real Thunder, Euromax. And nearing the finish line, 1A, Durango, King's Dominion, and Real Thunder. And finally, 1A, Durango. Second, King's Dominion, Real Thunder, Euromax.